I came back from holidays and my room is so messy. I have to clean it up. Just now finished my bath and I'm going to do skincare. The time is now 10:22. I have 9 o'clock class tomorrow. I have to give my math quiz tomorrow in the morning. I didn't study anything. I have to complete a module tonight. Let's hope for the best.
For when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks.
So I'm going to start studying. The time is now 11. Just now finished bathing and I got 3 classes in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. So I just got ready. I have to dry my hair and go to class. At 6 I had my MPMC lab. After that I went to meet my friends. Usually in our college we have Sunday and Monday as our weekend. So me and my friend plan to go out on Monday. So tomorrow I'm going out.